Hi everyone, welcome to the Make Your Own Textiles class. My name is Sienna and I'm the content producer here at Seamwork. I love playing with fabric and experimenting with surface design to build my own wardrobe. In this class, I'll cover some tips for choosing fabric, my favorite block printing techniques and tricks, one way to dye fabric with avocado peels, using the Quince day robe as my pattern. If you're curious about designing and making your own textiles, this class is for you. I chose the Quince pattern for this class because it's nice and boxy, perfect for showcasing a block print, and because depending on the fabric you choose, it can be worn every season. There are also 16 different variations for Quince. The pattern comes with 2 versions for both a duster and a jacket, with optional pattern pieces like a waist tie, patch pockets that overlap the side seams, and sleeve cuffs. You can mix and match details to design the day robe that you like best. Plus, in issue 51 of the magazine, Haley shares 3 hacks for Quince. Quince can also be made in so many different fabrics. In this class, I'm going to make 2 Quince day robes. One Quince will be a lightweight, beachy cover-up that's perfect for summer. I'll also garment dye it using avocado peels and share that process with you. The second Quince will be made out of a cotton canvas, making it a great cooler weather layering piece. For this Quince, I'll guide you through how to block print a design to make a unique textile. I'll also share some simple pattern alterations I made to customize my Quinces. Sewing is an adventure, and as we all know, a way to express ourselves and nourish our creativity. My hope is that this class will encourage you to play and experiment with different textiles and surface design methods to make clothing you love. In the next class, I'll cover how to choose fabric for the Quince day robe.